Top 5 fascinating facts about the sun. The sun is more than just the bright ball of light in our sky. It's a massive, powerful star that makes life on Earth possible. Here are 5 fascinating facts about the sun that show just how incredible it is. Fact 1: the sun is a giant ball of hot gas. The sun isn't a solid object like Earth. It's a giant ball of superheated gas, mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. At its core, the temperature reaches about 15 million degrees Celsius. This heat causes hydrogen atoms to smash together, creating helium and releasing a huge amount of energy. This process is called nuclear fusion, and it's what powers the sun and produces the light and heat we feel on Earth. Fact 2: it's really big. The sun is so huge that about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. It contains more than 99% of all the mass in our solar system, which means that it's the dominant force that keeps all the planets, moons, and even comets orbiting around it. This massive size creates a strong gravitational pull that holds the entire solar system together. Fact 3: the sun has weather. Just like Earth, the sun has its own kind of weather. Solar flares and sunspots are 2 main types of solar weather caused by changes in the sun's magnetic field. Solar flares are bursts of energy that shoot out into space, while sunspots are cooler, darker spots on the sun's surface. These solar events can even affect Earth, causing things like the northern lights, or, in some cases, interfering with satellites and radio signals. Fact 4: light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Even though light travels incredibly fast, it still takes time to get from the sun to us because the sun is so far away. The distance between the sun and Earth is about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers. Light travels at a speed of about 186,000 miles per second, so it takes roughly 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach us. This means when we look at the sun, we're actually seeing it as it was over 8 minutes ago. Fact 2: the sun won't last forever. The sun has been shining for about 4.6 billion years, and it still has about another 5 billion years to go. However, it won't always stay the same. Eventually, it will use up its hydrogen fuel, and when that happens, it will expand into a red giant, swallowing up nearby planets, including possibly Earth. After that, it will shed its outer layers and shrink down into a white dwarf, a much smaller, cooler star that will continue to shine dimly for billions of years. These facts show just how fascinating and powerful the sun is. It's not only the center of our solar system, but also the reason life exists on Earth, making it one of the most important and awe-inspiring objects in our universe. If you like this and want to see more, please like and subscribe.